take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Make frosting a great way to use your leftover marshmallows, and save some money on baking, is by turning them into frosting. Simply place the marshmallows in a bowl over boiling water, whisk, and watch them melt into fluffy, gooey frosting goodness.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Marshmallows get really cold, but are still pretty soft when they're frozen. This makes them perfect for homemade ice packs. Just put a few into a freezer bag and then toss the bag into the freezer for about 3 hours.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Don't use old marshmallows. After marshmallows have been sitting around for a while, they start to dry out and the exterior gets firm. Most importantly, they don't melt nearly as well. Instead of becoming soft and gooey, they melt into one giant blob.
Take our lead.
As time goes by, they will naturally harden and lose their quality. So even though they might be safe to eat after being open for a month, they probably won't taste nearly as good as they used to. If you need to store the sweet for longer than 2 weeks, it's probably better to freeze them.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.